Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial and thank you so much for clicking. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime we have a new upload, you'll get notified. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my content. Thank you so much for sharing. Thank you for the likes and sweet comments. So in today's video, we're going to learn how to crochet slip stitches on the back loop, and it's very simple. I hope you're going to enjoy the tutorial to the end. Please remember to give it a like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. Let's get started. So in this video I'm going to use a chunky yarn. It's 3-ply and 100% acrylic, and I'll be using a 5.5mm crochet hook. So to start, make a slip knot and make n number of chains to start with. I'll be making 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So to begin, we skip the first chain, and in the second insert your hook, grab yarn and pull through the loop on your hook. Go into the next chain, insert your hook, grab yarn and pull through to the loop on your hook. Go into the next, insert your hook, grab yarn and pull through and through the loop on your hook. Into the next, like that, to the end. As you make the slip stitches, make sure that your stitches are not tight so that the hook can go through them easily. So loosen your tension as much as possible. Okay, so we've come to the end of our first row of slip stitches and we have 10 slip stitches. So chain 1 to start a new row, and because we are working in the back loop only, these are the 2 loops of these stitches. So there's this front loop and there's this back loop. Let me show you. So the stitch has this front loop, the one closer to you, and there is a back loop, this one. So we are going to work in the back loop, and once you chain 1 and you've done your work, insert your hook in the back loop like that, then grab yarn and pull through and through the loop on your hook. Into the next, insert your hook, grab yarn, pull through and through the loop on your hook. Into the next, grab yarn, pull through the loop on your hook. So make sure that your stitches are loose enough to allow the hook to go through them easily, so that you don't struggle like I'm struggling right here. Okay, so I'm trying to make them loose as well. Okay, so making slip stitches is so easy and fast when you master the pattern. And slip stitches are so nice for making sweater ribbings, bean hats, you know, and they come out so beautiful. So we've come to the end of this row and we are making the last slip stitch. Then you chain 1 and turn. So now we have 2 rows of slip stitches, back loop, and into our third row you chain 1 and turn. Then in the very first stitch you make a slip stitch in the back loop. Okay, So pull your loop high enough so that it doesn't become tight, and then into the next, and keep repeating this until you master the pattern. And the texture is so nice. Yeah, so I'll meet you after making a few rows to show you how it looks. And again, you can use any size of hook and the yarn, so it doesn't have to be a chunky yarn. And a 5.5 crochet hook. Okay, after a number of rows, this is how the slip stitch back loop looks like. Very beautiful and stretchy. A nice stitch for the beanie brims and sweater ribbons. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial up to this point. Please remember to like this video, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you expect in our next video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on our next tutorial. Bye.